How to see liked videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see liked videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to see liked videos on YouTube, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the YouTube app here. And let's say that over time you've happened to like a lot of videos and now you want to find those liked videos. It's actually very simple. All you have to do is just tap the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen, or if you don't find it over here, you can tap the library icon from the bottom right, and right here you can see playlist. Under playlist you'll be able to see liked videos, which is up to more than this kind of number over here. So if you want to select and view those, you can just tap on this little option here, and once you tap on that option you'll be able to see a list of videos that you have liked on YouTube. This way you'll be able to see liked videos on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.